Are you curious on how you could make money online without needing a ton of skills? Well, you're in luck because in this video, we've got you covered. Today, we're diving into the world of online earning in 2024, leveraging ChatGPT for the simplest side hustle ever. And guess what? You don't even have to sell anything. I'll guide you through each step, making it super easy for you to get started right after watching this. So, if you've been wondering how you can make money online without any special skills, buckle up. First things first, we'll use ChatGPT to uncover those hot, trending books. Head on over to ChatGPT now. Once you're there, throw in a simple prompt. Ask ChatGPT to fetch you 10 of the best-selling finance books currently making waves on Audible.com. Now, why Audible.com, you ask? Hang tight, I'll spill the beans in just a moment. After you've punched in the prompt, hit that send button. This will prompt ChatGPT to whip up a neat list of the latest must-reads. Here's the scoop. We're about to unlock a nifty trick to pocket $15 every time someone snags a free trial with Audible through you, scoring those books on the house. Yep, you heard it right, $15 a pop. Now that you've asked ChatGPT to dish out that list of books, it's decision time. All you've got to do is hop over, copy that book title, easy as pie. Next stop, Audible. Paste that title into the search bar, hit enter, and voila. There's our book, sitting pretty since 2020 with a bunch of rave reviews from the finance crowd. Quick tip. What I'm about to show you isn't just for finance buffs. You can apply this trick to any niche or genre you fancy. Health, relationships, you name it. In fact, I'd say go wild and whip up a bunch of these. Trust me, it'll pay off big time when I spill the beans on snagging that sweet, sweet free traffic. Imagine making $500 a day. It's not just a pipe dream with this strategy. It's totally doable. Now, onto the book hunt. Click on it, scope out those ratings, and hey, with a 4.7 out of 5 overall performance and story-wise, we've got a winner on our hands. This is the kind of gem we can't wait to share for those juicy free commissions. Now, it's time to whip up a killer review for the intelligent investor. And guess what? ChatGPT is about to become your new BFF. We're going to lean on it quite a bit, so make sure you've signed up. Here's the game plan. Fire up ChatGPT and feed it a prompt. Something like, write a 1,500 to 2,000 word summary for the book, complete with an intro and a summary for each chapter. Hit enter, sit back, and watch the magic unfold. ChatGPT will churn out the whole enchilada, giving us the juicy details that'll hook folks into snagging that Audible book for free, of course. And hey, that's just one trick up our sleeves. On the other hand, we'll talk about visuals next. We're going to need some eye-catching images to spice up this review. Head over to a platform like Canva.com to get started. Once you're there, hit Create a Design in the top right corner. Opt for a custom size of 1,400 by 1,400 and hit Create New Design. Now scroll down the left-hand side until you see the Apps section. Click on Apps and select Magic Media. Canva will prompt you for some info since, let's say something like create a brain that's all about making money, maybe with a $100 US bill in the mix. While Canva's conjuring up those images, take a peek at the review's summary. This will give you ideas for different images to include. When we post the review, we want to sprinkle these images in to keep things fresh. It adds a professional touch, trust me. Once Canva works its magic, download each image. Now that we've got our visuals, it's time to talk placement. Okay, let's proceed signing up for the Audible Creator Program. There are 2 ways to promote these books through Audible, and I'll walk you through both, giving you the lowdown on which one's the real game changer. Start by typing in Audible Creator Program and you'll land on a page that looks like this. You've got 2 options. First up, signing up as an Amazon associate. This route lets you advertise the book, drive traffic, and earn your commissions. Commissions are split. You'll pocket $5 each time someone signs up for a free trial and another $10 if they go on to purchase another book. Not bad, right? But hold on to your hat because Audible's rolled out the big guns with their Creator Program. This program is tailor-made for creators like you, and I'll show you why it's the bee's knees. Now, under the Creator Program, Audible's upped the ante by offering not just a 1-month free trial, but a whopping 3-month free trial. Yep, you heard me right. That means folks can snag your book for zilch, nada, nothing. And you still earn a cool $15 every time someone signs up. Imagine this. Just 10 signups a day and you're looking at a sweet $150. And the best part, once you've got these articles out there, the traffic keeps flowing in passively. You could be pulling in 10, 20, even 50 signups a day, depending on how much content you've got out there. And with Audible making it easy peasy with those free trials, the sky's the limit. Now that you're signed up, well, head on over to Utilizing Traffic. The first stop, Vocal Media. This is where the magic happens. You'll be posting these articles as free reviews of the books, tapping into Vocal Media's existing traffic. Here's how to do it. Once you're on Vocal Media, hit Create Story. Title it something simple like Book Review. In the subtitle, give folks a heads up that it's just a quick sample of what the book covers. Now, paste in that review you got from ChatGPT. But wait, we're not done yet. Sprinkle in some images you whipped up on Canva to keep things interesting. Add in some call to action links to drive those signups, and don't forget the affiliate disclosure at the end to keep things above board. Once you've polished up your article, hit publish, sit back, and watch that traffic roll in. Vocal Media gets over 2 million views a month, so you know you're tapping into a solid stream of traffic. Meanwhile, let me walk you through the second way to drive free traffic to your links, and it involves harnessing the power of Pinterest. With Pinterest, you can promote these books so people know they can sign up for free and earn commissions. If you head over to Pinterest and search for best finance books, you'll see tons of folks using this strategy with various books. Remember, this approach works in any niche, so don't hesitate to diversify your offerings. You can see examples like showcasing The Intelligent Investor, which is precisely what you want to do. Creating pins on Pinterest is super easy. First, create an account on Pinterest with a simple banner and a name. Then, start crafting pins that look like this. Head back to Audible, find the book's image, right-click to copy it, and then paste it into Canva. Choose a blank Pinterest pin template, paste the image, and add a straightforward call to action like, "Get your free copy today." Click on the link inside this pin. Creating this text is a breeze in Canva. Just choose a heading, add the text, and download the pin. Once downloaded, head back to Pinterest, click on Create Pin, upload your pin, fill in the title and description like Book Review. Get a free copy from Audible, sign up for a free trial today, and paste your Audible affiliate link. Repeat this process for different books, and you're good to go. This traffic is entirely free. The more pins and articles you have, the more clicks you'll receive, and the more money you'll make. It's a rinse and repeat process. Keep posting these pins on Pinterest, keep publishing articles on Vocal Media, and watch as your efforts translate into cold, hard cash. With just around 33 pins generating $15 each, you could be making $495 a day. Consistency is key here. Now, before you go, let me ask you this. Have you ever considered tapping into the power of platforms to make some serious cash online? Share your answers in the comments. And hey, if you found this video helpful and informative, make sure to smash that like button below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our future money-making tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and until next time.